Newton-Raphson technique is used to find out root of a algebraic equation. It is a gradient descent procedure. The steps involved are as follows. Let f be the polynomial. That is, we may have to read the coefficients of the polynomial. First, we will take initial guess for the root. We call it as x innate. And then we calculate, rather we predict the root of the polynomial f using the formula x predicted is equal to x initial minus f of x initial divided by f dash x initial. If x initial and x predicted are almost same or same, then we can say that we have reached the solution. Otherwise, we take x predicted as x initial and again continue the same steps of predicting the root and again comparing, again deciding whether to do any more iteration or not. If x innate and x predicted are same, sometimes achieving exactly same value takes some number of iterations. That's the reason why we consider if the difference between them is less than some number, we consider they are almost same, then we terminate the loop. So this is the essence of Newton-Raphson technique. In this example, we try to take the polynomial as a quadratic equation, that is second order equation, thus the coefficients only 3, that is ax square plus bx plus c, the coefficients are a, b, c. The derivative of it becomes 2ax plus b. Then we continue the operation. However, for the purpose of demonstrations, we have simulated for only few iterations of the while loop. In this program, we have included stdio.h and also math.h as we plan to use the function fabs. This function takes a float type of argument and returns absolute value of the same. Variables a, b, c, x, x1, f and ff are declared. The coefficients are proposed to be stored in the variables a, b, c. A printf statement is included to allow the user to enter the coefficients of a quadratic equation. They will be read into the variables a, b, c with the help of the following scanf statement, and also initial guess is read into the variable x1. We have used a do while loop to solve the solution of this quadratic equation. Initial guess for the root is given as 2. The same is read into the variable x1. We assume that the coefficients of this quadratic equation are 1, 5, minus 6. That is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 6. x1 value is assigned to x. That is, predicted value of x1 is assigned to x. However, for the sake of convenience sake, we have taken the initial value of root is given into x1, the same is assigned to the variable x. Function value, that is the polynomial value at x, that is 2, is calculated and is 8. Derivative value at x, that is 2, is calculated and it is found to be 9. Root is predicted and that comes down to 1.12. The while condition is tested. The initial value of root is 2. The predicted value is 1.12. Are the same? No. Thus, the loop is going to get iterated once more. Predicted value of root, that is x1 value, is assigned to x. The polynomial value at x, that is 1.12, is calculated. Thus, f value becomes 0.85. The derivative value at x, that is 1.12, is calculated. It will become 7.24. Root is predicted. That will become 1.001. Initial value of root at the beginning of this iteration is 1.12. The predicted value is 1.001. Are they same? No. Thus, the loop is supposed to execute once more. Like this loop will continue to execute till the initial value and the predicted value of the root are almost same, and then the x1 value, that is predicted value, can be printed as the root of the equation. Of course, we can print x value also at the end because both of them will be almost same.